inkolelo yokuba abantu abantsundu abanako ukonga imali kungoku nje lo mkhwa ugqithisele ebantwaneni kube lilifa. Kuthiwa ke uninzi luntyumpa-ntyumpeke ematyaleni kuba bengalifumananga icham lokuxhotyiswa ngokufundisa ngokonga imali beselula. Inkcukacha ke mbukeli zakutshanje zithi ngumyinge othe kratya ku-80% weentsapho ezingenamali egciniweyo engahlawulwa iindleko zeveki enye. Kanti ke i-trillion dollar kids ithi akulahlwa mbeleko ngakufelwa. Kanti ke mbukeli balilitha lelanga kule ngxoba kaxakeka kumxhaka njengoko ke bexhobisa abantwana ngezezimali. Ewe kaloku ligotywa liselula bakunye nathi ke ukuze basichubele kwesi sikhwebu sabo. Sinaye ke mbukeli uAyanda Msipha ongutitshala kunye ke nomfundi uThandeka Ndlovu. Masinibulise sinamtyele SABC lihaye kuluvuyo nochulumanco nibe nathi namhlanje. Ne-voices zenu it's giving trillionaires like
Yes.
Anenzi msindo. Injalo neimali.
Injalo imali ayirasi.
Ayirasi imali ndiyayibona pha kuwe. Ayanda njengokuba ungutitshala ndiyafuna ukuqala kuwe kuba kaloku xa sithi siyajonga iinkcukacha manani ziyatsho into yokubana kumakhaya more than 80% awukwazi into yokubana kongiwe imali kude kuthiwa nemali ekhoyo ekhayeni angeke ikwazi into yokubana imithe iinitsi zeveki. Bekutheni kubalulekile into yokubana nisungule i-trillion dollar kids?
Ngibonga sisikholosa as bososhilo ukuthi indaba yemali from endlini iyahlupha, so we found it important that we teach abantwana from a young age on the importance yokusave imali as well as misibheke i-economy yethu manje. We understand ukuthi funeka sifundise abantwana ukuthi they need to invest for their future because manje siyabona ukuthi iNSFAS and the economy is not working out the way that we would like it to work out. So it's important ukuthi abantwana befunde from a young age on the importance of ukondla imali.
Wena Thandeka unangaphi mingaphi iminyaka yakho kutheni ulapha nje nawe uyi-trillionaire ubone njani into yobana kubalekile nawe uzibandakanye ne-trillion dollar kids?
Mbona kubalekile ngoba ukuba nemali inkinga kithi as i-generation efika manje ngoba kahlupha ukusave. Abantu abaningi abakwazi indlela yokusave ukuthi usave not mayelana nge-goal yakho encane kodwa mayelana ngento ezokusiza phambili in your future. So mina ngijoine last year January and ngiqala ukufunda kancane ukusave and ngendlela eziningi ukuthi ngifunde ne-business yami engifisayo and ngiqala ukusave i-amount engifisayo bese sengivula i-bank account yami then sengifaka imali yami lapho bese ngiyaqhubeka ukusave till i-amount ezongisiza ukuthi ngivule i-business
oyifunayo.
Yebo.
Ndiyafuna into yokubana ungagonqi ume nje ngqo njengokuba uthetha kule nto yokuba uthi uyasave uzawufumanisa into yokubana yinto lena nomuntu omdala angakwazi ukuyenza. Wena uyenze njani loo nto usave mali? Ndiyayifuna nje usibreakele down into yokubana uyifumana phi le mali?
Imali leyo ngiyifumana kubazali bami. Maybe bayangipha for i-lunch esikolo or ukuthenga snacks and stuff. Even though my peers wami bayabethenga izwitsi going out, but mina I'll be saving, staying home behind ukuthi ngisave ngibe kwazi ukuthi I know i-future yami izohamba kahle. And ngemfundiso zika baba zingisizile kakhulu imboni, zingisizile kakhulu ukuthi ngibe kwazi ukusave, ngibe mature ngemali. Yeah.
I mean wow, uthetha engumntana omncinci enqinisekile nomuntu omdala obukeleyo uthi yo hey lo mntana lona seyisave mna nayo nesent kuba imali ithi ngena ibe isenza ezinye izinto. Ndiyafuna nje into yokubana usibreakele down kwinkqubo eninazo ukuze niqhuqhe ingqondo zabantwana belula ngolhlobo. Uthi yena umntana emncinci kangaka ukuthi already ingqondo yakhe iqhuqhekile uyakwazi ukusave imali, uyakwazi into yobana be disciplined xa ebona otshomi bakhe bethenga isweet yena uyayazi into yobana ayisave. Zeziphi ezinkqubo eziqinisekisa into yokubana abantwana bane-relationship enje nemali?
Okay, so sinama programs ahlukile phakathi kwe-trillion dollar kids program. So eyokuqala sine stokvel program. So kuleyo stokvel program siyabafundisa abantwana, we break them into different groups and then into groups of 5, for example. And then every month, kunemali abayicontribute towards their savings. So, for example, we teach them that for you to be able to save imali, kufuneka ube ne-end goal. So for them, it's them ukuthi baqala ama-business nabo. So kuleyo mali abazoyicontribute every month. So towards December, the end of the year, bazobe baraisile i-capital ukuthi bakwazi ukuqala the businesses that they want to start. And then we also have different investments with different partners, bank institutions esinazo. So towards the end of the year, also from the money that they've been able to save, bangena ku Golden Lofts. So there's different investment portfolios abazibhekayo, so that by the end of sebana 18, they know bona ukuthi bazofuna ukwenza nemali. They don't have to depend on iNSFAS ukuthi iNSFAS izobafundisa esikolweni. If they want to continue a business after matric, that's up to them, but bona bazobe sebondlekile by the time they reach 18 years, they'll know ukuthi bona what they want to do, because bathole that discipline from a young age.
And I mean, earlier on Thandeka uye wabelana nathi wathi into yokubana le mali iza kunceda into yokubana xa ngaba mhlawumbe ufuna uqala ishishini lakho uyakwazi uthi thaca imali yakho. Ndiyafuna wabelane nami ngeli shishini lakho ufuna ukuliqala.
Bengifuna uqala epoxy, raising like ukwenza jewelry and ngama-dry flowers, kube nama-molds amancane ngiyenza ama-flower, ama-bracelets, necklaces, keychains, anything enhle ezo decorator something endlini. And ngibone inhle kakhulu because it has so much profit in it.
Yeah, and umntwana mhlambe ongafumananga lemfundiso esemncinci uzibeka kwithuba elinjani into yokubana ngomso abe ngumuntu omtsha onjani. Ndisitsho nje xa sithi siyajonga intswelangqesho apha eMzantsi Afrika iphaka umyinge ongaphaya kwe-42% abantu abatsha abangaphangeliyo. Kunzima kakhulu, abanye bantyumpuntyumpeke ematyaleni, ngapha kunezinto ezifana no-black tax. Uba ngaba mhlawumbe umntana akafumananga icham lokuxhotyiswa esemncinci uzibeka kwithuba elinjani? No, endikubuzayo ukuthi umntana if akafundanga xa sele mdala, what are the risk factors involved? Because I mean, if ufundise emncinci, chances are she's going to become a future trillionaire. So if she's deprived of this teaching, I mean, what are the risk factors involved, considering that a rate of unemployment is on the rise?
Oh, okay. No, that's a very good question, because if we look at our education system, unfortunately, I support entrepreneurship. It doesn't support financial literacy. So yes, deprive our future students and our future learners, because they don't get little discipline, financial literacy from the time besase esikolweni. So also, unfortunately, we see a rise in this thing called this influencer community, but impilo, that's a fake lifestyle, and asikwazi ukuhlukanisa between into eyiqiniso nento eyamanga. So abantwana grow up with that thing in mind ukuthi you have to live impilo immoral for you to be able to attain imali or to be able to attain wealth. Ngibuyisele back to if you look at the community ama Muslim nama Jews, they teach abantwana babo from besasebancane, but based on religious dogma yabo, ukuthi imali bayiphatha kanjani, ukuthi business bayiphatha kanjani. But then you look at us thina as abantu abansundu, yini esigayitayo. And that is why Imboni, Dr. Uzuleze established $1 Trillion Kids Club, so that abantwana learn from our spiritual principles, ukuthi imali iphathwa kanjani, ukuthi just for you ukuthi ube nemali, it doesn't mean ukuthi kumele wenze ukungcola. Kune manje we also see a trend yokuthwala. What guides us thina as abantu abamnyama ukuthi imali si attain kanjani? What guides us? What are our principles? What is our foundation? So that is why $1 Trillion Kids Club was established.
Beautiful, and I love the fact that uthi nina ninaso isikhokelo okanye udondolo enincambaza ngalo kuba kumaxesha amaninzi lento itshoyo into yokubana if uzawujonga mhlambe kwi-Muslims nabo banento ebaguidayo. Ndiyafuna ukuza kuwe Thandeka, considering zonke izinto azithethileyo into yokubana kukhona imigaqo yomoya eniyilandelayo kuba kaloku xa wenza into funeka kube khona umntu esingatsho into yokubana yi-role model, ngumuntu ojonge kuye ingakumbi when it comes to i-finances. Ungathi mhlambe wena xa ujonga ngokwezimali kubantu umuntu omjongileyo obona into yokubana yeyi wenza kakuhle kakhulu nam ngenye imini ndifuna ukufana naye? I wish ibindim qha ke andikakabiyo trillionaire.
I-role model yami ngu-Dr. Uzuleza Radebe ngoba ungifundisile uba mature ngemali, ungagcwali yonke indawo usenza izinto ezingcolileyo ezingasiziyo phambili empilweni yakho. And ngifundile kakhulu manje I know how to differentiate izinto ezimbi nezinhle between zonke izinto ezenzakalayo empilweni yami. Sengikwazi uma abangani bami besiyoyenza something be-outer, mina I'll stay behind learning more about money.
Beautiful. And siyathanda into yokubana sikrwece nomnye umfundi othi nam uye ndabe kanti ndiyarhabula kule bhekile yase-Trillion Dollar Kids kwaye kunezinto ndabe kanti ndiyazenza, kodwa ke ndiyafuna into yokubana ngaphambi kokuba simzise sike sithathe ikhefu. Niyavuma ke phofu siye ekhefini?
Yeah.
Siyavuma.
Right, mbukeli we-SABC lihaye saqhubeka kaloku nokufundisa nokuxhobisa isizwe ngokonga imali. Sinayo kaloku i-Trillion Dollar Kids. Masithi qhu mbukeli sibhatala amatyala ungagonqi, sabukele i-SABC lihaye. Sibambe ngazibini mbukeli ngexesha lakho sasibukele apha e-SABC lihaye. Saqhubeka mbukeli ngengxoxo esingatsho into yokubana ibaluleke kakhulu, ingxoxo ngezezimali nokonga imali. Kanti ke ngoku sawuphinde ke ngosamkele iindwendwe zethu xa besenaye kaloku utitshala uAyanda Msipha. Uhamba ke nomfundi esingatsho into yokubana uphume izandla, yena kaloku uRifile Rhwati. Masiphinde sinamkele kwakhona nisenathi alpha e-SABC lihaye, nise right?
Right, siyabonga.
Ubungekho nje masawuthi sowuse right nje okanye sowusegiyeni?
Yebo ngiyabonga ukuthi ngibe khona namhlanje.
Rifulo, ndiyafuna uqala ngawe kuba kaloku wena ungumfundi osele uphume izandla, besinomncinci ngoku wena noko sowukhulile. Ndiyafuna nathi wabelene nathi ngohambo lwakho e-Trillion Dollar Kids. Uzawuthi ga ngoku zintoni osozifundile?
Okay, so Ngingurifilo Khadi and I am within Trillion Dollar Teenagers Club, which is the older club for Trillion Dollar Kids. Through journey under Trillion Dollar Teenagers, I was able to learn a lot in financial literacy. It was able to give me a proper foundation for mina as umntwana begene goal yokuthi ngibe within the entrepreneurship space and ngikwazi ukuthi ngifunde kabanzi ngebusiness kakhulu. So ukuze ngijoin i-Trillion Dollar Teenagers Club, it was able ukuthi provide with a lot of business knowledge. Nami ngikwazi ukuthi ngiqale because esikhathini esiningi I didn't really have like an idea yokuthi ngizongena kanjani within the business space, because esikolweni mawuyenza i-business study bakunikeza i-basis yokuthi when you need to start a business uqala ibhizinisi nje selikhulu, uqala i-company, uqala i-factory, mara abakuphi the small foundation basis that you need to learn, like savings, how to properly manage your finances and so forth. So through i-Trillion Dollar Teenagers Club, I was able to learn just that, and I was given a proper understanding on how important financial literacy is, nanokuthi isebenzisana kanjani within the business sector, you see. Because we live in a society lapho abantwana abaningi into abayicabangayo mabese bethola imali ukuthi ngizoyispend
njalo nje ngizoyispenda imali. So through that ngiyakwazi ukuthi okay no, because of izinto engizifundile ngiyakwazi ukuthi no, mangise ngithola imali ngiyayisave ngoba phambilini angazi ukuthi yini ezovela phambili. And futhi it also provides you with a lot of financial freedom because of this mentality that kids get at a young age ukuthi wena uzospenda imali mawuba mdala ugcina usuba within financial debt.
But Refilwe kukhona nalento ethi kaloku YOLO, you only live once.
Yeah.
So wena usavela for a future ongayazi noba izawuza noba ayizawuza na. So I mean wenza njani uqinisekisa into okubana you are disciplined, because yes you do have goals but ezinye izinto uqonda uba andisayibaweli. Wenza njani into okubana uhlale udisciplined yet ungabi nayo imentality yokuthi you know you only live once, because yinto entyumpa abantu ematyaleni nokuba imali yabo ichitheke.
We look at kakhulu mentality yokuthi we only live once. Yes, you do live once, and you through having this one opportunity for you to live, you can also make good decisions. But to Masinga, we don't really put too much on the disciplinary side. Sometimes you need to go to now enjoy, but also it's also important for you to enjoy responsibly. Ngoba uzobuthi no ngiphila kayi-one, but at the end of the day you see yourself within a financial depth, and then manje you spend almost practically the rest of your life stressing about these debts that you have to pay off, you see. So we're able to put a thin line ukuthi no, at this certain point I can enjoy, mara ngiyazi ukuthi I enjoy whilst managing my finances in a proper manner, and ngingabe sengibhubhudla imali bese ngiyithola nje ngikwi-state se-financial stress.
Yeah, and I mean all this information which is quite profound oyisherayo kunye nathi, I mean I don't think it's included kwi-education curriculum yethu lapha eMzantsi Afrika. Into esibonisayo into okubana sikude kakhulu, kodwa xa uzawujonga amanye amazwe you know kwimfundo yabo okanye kwi-curriculum yabo already bafundiswa ngezinto ezabaphucula. Uthi umntana ephuma kwibanga leshumi already akabe ndindiza elibazise engazazi into yobana uzowenza ntoni. Ingaba mhlawumbe ninazi izicwangciso apho nisebenzisana namasebe karhulumente to say you know what, abantwana ezinto abazifunda esikolweni kodwa ke thina sikhona singakwazi into yokubana sixhobise olu lwazi. Ingaba zikhona ii-projects ezinjalo?
Okwamanje, we've signed up with a school eSoweto. So it's a school that we adopted, and we signed an MOU nayo ukuthi nabo sibandlulisele lo lwazi sinalo, and nabo baziphucule be you know because kakhulukazi futhi you know schools based in the township eSoweto, there's a bit of a difference between you know the ones ama-model Cs and ama-private schools. So thina sithatha lama skills esinawo because you mentioned as well ukuthi kwi-curriculum yethu unfortunately asinaw ama-transferable skills esiwabizayo. So thina in our club sibafundisa things like baking, like e-coding, farming, agriculture, and sibona kubalulekile because ngapha sibafundisa about ukusave imali, but sibafundisa as well skills, transferable skills abangakwazi ukuzisebenzisa even after school, depending on ukuthi bona which avenue abafuna ukuhamba ngayo.
Yeah.
So ngakuleso sikolo sindlulisa such skills as well ukuthi skills like farming and coding, so nabo sibasusa from level 0 to level 1.
And babe zi-trillionaires.
Nabo bebe ama-trillionaires.
And eyona nto ibuhlungu nekhwanqisayo wena Refilwe kokuba xa sawujonga imbali yethu apha eAfrika uzawufumanisa into yokubana oyena mntu wayetyebile wayifumaneka apha eAfrika. Sizawujonga kumagorha afana noMusa Mansa phaa koonyaka ko-1730s nalapho kuthiwa babanobutyebi obukhulu, kodwa xa kunamhla ngenene kuba ngathi kubaliswa imbali engazange yabakhona because siyahlupheka kakhulu singabantu abamnyama. Elona lifa ozawuthi ulifumane ungumntwana lilifa lenhlupheko. Uba ngaba mhlambe wena Refilwe ungafumana ithuba lokuba uhlale phansi neziphathamandla, ingakumbi mhlawumbe umphathiswa wesebe lezemfundo esiseko, umphathiswa uGwarhube, mhlawumbe zeziphi izinto ongathi ugxile kuzo, ingakumbi xa sijonga into yokubana ngenene asiqhubi kakuhle sililizwe?
Into ngathi ngayisuggest ukuthi build a proper foundational system, educational system, ezofundisa abantwana more on financial literacy. Because even a business study within the curriculum is not properly layered abantwana i-foundation efaneleki. And esikhathini esiningi iba inkinga in the long run. So into engayithi ukuthi build a strong foundation and also include financial literacy. Not only bring business and financial literacy into the picture, but also bring different spaces, introduce different sectors. Nanokuthi abantwana bangaqala bangene kanjani, because this mentality that we have as a society yokuthi umntwana angabuilda i-success yakhe aseke mdala. Cha, umntwana angaqala sesemncane with a proper financial knowledge and also business knowledge. Umntwana angaqala abe successful at a young age. Aqale naye akhuphule nazo inhlanhla zakhe, ngoba we also know ukuthi there is also the spiritual aspect of it. Hence Tina, we are also guided by also our founder Imboni Uzulezo Radebe, right? So we are able to get proper proper spiritual foundation, and also on this side within the club we're able to get a proper foundation as to the financial sector and business sector.
And you are only 18, but so ne certificate onazo, especially when we look at 4IR and AI. Ndiyafuna into kubana wabelana nathi nge certificate. Into ethi ngoku ungaqashwa nangeyiphi company?
Yeah, through $1 Trillion Teenagers Club, I introduced the coding sector within my space. So I got interested within the coding space. So through Isapot Yabazali, I was able to enroll in a course whereby I was learning about software, becoming a software programmer and developer. So through that, I was able to secure a certificate of being a data scientist, a website developer, SQL developer, a Python programmer, and also I also enrolled in a couple of courses through that to ngakwazi ukuthi ngigene iskill sokuthi nami ngibe i-Python developer, yabo ngi-advance i-skills zami. And then as time went by, utilize, because singabantwana, most especially as teenagers, we tend to look at the social media side, you see. And then after you abona umanu scroller and whatnot, so I was like, you know what, instead of scrolling, let me find a way I can utilize social media ngendlela efanele. So that's when I enrolled in a course where I was able to gain a certificate of being a social media professional. Right. So throughout that process, I'm able to enhance my skills. So right now, the current focus is expanding within the AI space, because as you see, day by day, AI is like on the rise, and as it is on its peak, we need to take this opportunity and utilize it in the best way possible. So currently, I am working on starting a business, particularly where I'll be able to provide people a proper foundation and layout on how to enter the AI space, and also how to utilize it as a money-making source for you, because abantu abaningi, they view AI with, no, it's only going to help us on our day-to-day lives, but also you can create something. You can create something that is way more advanced, and also make a living for yourself.
And I love the fact that, I mean, even when you say social media, when ngileyo likhoba lokuba ndingenza njani imali, into ethi ngenene nangenyaniso ingqondo yakho iqhuqhekile. Hey titshala, I'm sure ngohlobo athetha ngalo naxa ithetha ngazo zonke eziziqu anazo in the coding and 4R space, ndiqinisekile enhlizweni yakho you are beaming with pride. Abantu abadala bayakwazi ukungena $1 Trillion Kids, because ndimvile noBra Paul apha ekhamereni xa ningena wathi hayi ndiyafuna ukungena nami. Xa umdala uqonda into yobana yo hayi ndizamile but hayi kunzima, uyakwazi ninazo inantsika adult ntoni.
For now, into sisayihlela okwamanje. uThandeka, she's part of $1 Trillion Kids, which is age group of 4 to 12 years. Then uRefilwe, she's part of $1 Trillion Teenagers, which is 13 to 19 years.
Now fika nini ku 50 Nkosi yami, because uBra Paul uleqa pha.
Unfortunately, then sizoba ne $1 Trillion Youth, which is from 20 to 35.
20 to 35.
Yes.
Inoba imali ifumi lapha kuwe kuba njengoba nithetha kukhona ivumba lemali elinukayo. Ninemali ngibonile nize ne-bodyguards kunzima ye.
Kunzima.
Yeah. So khawusikhobisele nje kancinci inoba sowufikelele kubani mhlawumbe emalini obuyisave all these years without disclosing i-amount. Senje ndifuna ukubonakalisa umbukela into yokubana yonke lento eniyithethayo it's possible.
Can I ask, do you mean like the amount?
Not the usithele kratya nje usiestimate into yokubana inoba umephi. Ungatsho ngqo mhlambe if i1 million yabo uthi ngo00 ntontontonton.
Ngasho ukuthi iqala from
Hey, that's smile. Ha.
iqala from 40 ukuya phambili.
Ngaba ngu4 hey phofu hey ungathiwa hayi uyithethe SABC lihaye naku sowuleqa but at least ngibonile into yobana nikhaqe ezi-bodyguards. Masibambe ngazibini and enye into ngaphambi kokuba ndinikhulule ndiyafuna uqonda into yokubana ingaba mhlawumbe ninazo ii-applications ezivuliweyo ngoku umuntu ofuna ungena funeka abe ngowaphi ithini into yakhe kuba he izinto zenu ndivile into yobana nithetha nango-spirituality mhlawumbe funeke abe ne-alignment anazo ithini into ngomuntu ofuna into yokubana zibandakanye.
No, Iminyango Yethu is open to wonke umuntu. If you say you are interested in now ukuthi uzikhuphule nje in terms of learning about entrepreneurship and financial literacy nalamanye ama skills esinawo, ama application season wethu avula ngo-August. We are available online but ngicela ukushare nje just ama contact details ukuthi bazosithola kanjani. It's 060 33 99 367, so that's 060 33 99 367. So ababukeli bangasithola lapho then sizothumela the rest of the details.
And if umuntu mhlambe angazimisela athi hey ndifuna ukuqala namhlanje asazi mhlambe kulonyaka uzayo ngalo elixesha umuntu angabe uthetha elinye ibali lahlukileyo masibambe ngazibini ngokuba nisindwendwele apha eSABC lihaye nixhobisele ababukeli bethu ngolwazi esingathi into yokubana lubaluleke kakhulu ingakumbi ngoku kunguJuly kuyinyanga apho ukhuthazwa abantu into yokubana bonge imali esinqwenelela okuhle kodwa ndiyacela bethunana izinto xa sezilungile noba niyabona bajonga amachankura ngena ngongena nike nize manizosibulela nithi niyayikhumbula la interview khanithi khawubamba apha uthi enkosi kakhulu. Right mbukeli we-SABC lihaye besinaye ke uAyanda Msipha ongutitshala pha eTrillion Dollar Kids sabelana naye ke uRefile Khwadi nongumfundi esingathi into yokubana ngumfundi ophume izandla siyengilasa naye ke mbukeli nangaphambili uThandeka Ndlovu nobalene nathi ke mbukeli ngamava wakhe apha eTrillion Dollar Kids bayatsho ke mbukeli into yokubana bona they are breaking the cycle.